Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys everything that you can get in the Zenith Seed Pack. You can get it from the seasonal pass here. This is the second season pass Grow a Garden has. So what you can get is a horned red rose, banana orchid, viburnum berry, I don't know, Buddha's hand, ghost pepper, and thorn spire. So let's see what I get from opening 3 of these seed packs. And I got, a horned red rose. Next, I got another horned red rose. And what else do I get from this? Okay, a viburnum berry. Cool. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!